Okay. So today is the 11th of April, Saturday morning, and I'm going to be reciting the third version of the Nocodemian prayer, otherwise known as the Mind Geist or Emmanuel's Prayer, on which Our Father or Lord's Prayer of Christians religions are based, and followed by the seven life affirmations, also in German. Okay. Mein Geist, der du bist in Allmacht, dein Name sei geheiligt, dein Reich inkarniere sich in mir, deine Kraft entfalte sich in mir auf Erden und in den Himmeln. Mein tägliches Brot gibt mir heute, so ich erkenne meine Schuld und ich erkenne die Wahrheit. Und führe mich nicht in Versuchung und Verwirrung, sondern erlose mich vom Irrtum. Denn dein ist das Reich in mir und die Kraft und das Wissen in Ewigkeit. The seven affirmations. Ich lebe in Liebe, I live in love. Ich lebe in Frieden, I live in peace. Ich lebe in Freiheit, I live in freedom. Ich lebe in Harmonie, I live in harmony. Ich lebe unbeschwert, I live unburdened. Ich lebe in Gesundheit, I live in health. Ich lebe in Freude, I live in joy. Now we'll have the Philippine version.
Stand by. Nawala pa. There you go. Prayer to the Spirit. Authorized Tagalog translation by Caballero, 2009. From Talmud Emmanuel, chapter 6, verses 11 to 18. Magsidalangin nga kayo na nakatatalos. Tuloy manalangin ng ganito. Aking kamalayan, nalikha kang nakapaloob sa makapangyarihan sa lahat. Purihin ang iyong pangalan. Nawa ang iyong kaharian ay mapasa aking kabuuan. Nawa ang iyong kapangyarihan ay masiwalat sa aking kabuuan, sa lupa at sa mga langit. Bigyan mo ako ngayon ng aking aral upang makilala ko ang aking mga kamalian at ang karunungan. At huwag mo akong ipahintulot sa tukso at kagulumihanan. Ilayo mo ako sa mali. Dahil sa iyo ang kahariang nasa aking kabuuan at ang kapangyarihan at ang karunungan magpakailanman siya nawa.
Siya nawa.
Thank you so much.
Can you hear me properly or my microphone
Yeah.
is dying?
No, I hear you loud and clear.
That's good. Then we just continue reading. I
Mhm.
think where are we? Did we stop at the Cynthia? Do you remember?
Oh, I don't. Oops.
I think we're in
No.
the Bedouin
Okay.
show or something.
Oh,
I think we start here.
okay.
We're here. As already repeatedly explained. Somewhere. Yeah, I think here. Because we want to discuss the ratio last time, but we don't have time because it's very important for infantdom. So I think here feelings are perpetuating energies going down.
Okay. You wanted me to read?
Oh
Is
yeah,
that
please.
okay? Feelings are perpetuating energies and impulsations that color the personal living experience of the human being. They can occur as temporary and more body related feelings, conditions. Thus, for example, tension, ease or unease, weakness, tiredness, fear, anxiety, insecurity or worry, etc., or as those feeling forms expressed as sadness or cheerfulness, happiness or sorrowfulness, or as enthusiasm, etc. Under the influence of specific stimuli, occurrences, and influences, the feelings become diffuse under certain conditions and indeed in a form that can be very actual and also extremely present. Thus, oh, sorry, this form of the feeling impulsations can become extremely dangerous to an unstable human being, as it can extend to the formation of the wish or of the delusion for suicide. Such feelings can as well pertain to the present as also to the past or the future, and they can ausarten to such a degree that consequently emotive actions result, which could be as multifarious in nature as there is sand by the sea. In the case of such actual diffuse clouding of feelings and derangement of feelings, for that is the matter at hand. The reasons can be sought in various directions, as for example, in a kind of negative life or experience qualities, in pangs of conscience due to a subsequent opinion and confrontation of the individuum to and with non righteous actions committed or to and with any experiences, imaginings, thoughts, perceptions, or requirements, and so on and so forth. As already repeatedly explained, the feelings exhibit extremely diverse forms, stretching from those of moral feeling to the inner sense feeling for good and bad, up to the aesthetic feeling, love or hate feelings, and knowledge or belief feeling. The multitude of the feelings therewith makes the human life form into a unique individual to whom no feeling based and empfindung based secrets remain hidden and unclear if they arrive through their entire ratio and the truth, the knowledge, the wisdom, and the logic to fathom and comprehend, to understand and control the entire block of the feelings with all its forms and impulsations, etc. The diversity and gradation of the feelings are unmeasurable to such a degree that they cannot be expressed in words. Yet, nevertheless, they can be comprehended very well in a spiritual consciousness based and material consciousness based manner if the human being works himself or herself up to the necessary high evolution. But throughout the entire universe, a great many life forms have not yet reached this level of evolution in this regard, since on the entire earth, not one earthling can be found who has reached this evolutionary level. Let me read what's underneath here.
Yet they even
Individual. There is a great difference between the individuality, for example, the character of your inner nature, and you human beings as such, as individuals. Now, the ratio. The human being has something in his or her consciousness and in his or her material consciousness that fundamentally first makes them into the human being.
Okay. I think
Well,
we stop there for now and we
okay.
discuss about this. Although we already discussed about feelings already from the last time. So, you know the principles, right? The thoughts, we call them the T principles, to be honest. The thoughts, emotions or feelings, and then actions, right? The T. So you remember TEA, which is what we're drinking right now, tea. That's the
Ah,
how the people really mold their character and everything. You know, the T principles, thoughts, emotions or feelings, and then actions. And that will be. So, kailangan kasi, we always discuss this because thoughts is really hard to control, but the feelings is really that determine everything. Di ba yung actions natin? Feeling hatred, feeling love, lust, so whatever kind of feelings is that they really define our self, you know, our actions, and then what's really define everything what's in the world, right? Kung nagkakagulo and everything. And it's because a lot of people of course there's still undeveloped yung consciousness natin, right?
mhm.
That's why it's very important for us to learn those things, like to gain more knowledge, wisdom, you know, getting the infindong base, which is the infindong feeling. That feeling, you know, is very important because that's connect to our spiritual consciousness or creation energy consciousness, which is connected to being rational, the source of the universe, etc. Right? The real thing. Kasi mostly kasi it's feelings is mostly material, of course, our innate body, and etc. We also act according to material, which is like, yeah, material thing. But of course, if we had the feelings of that infindong feelings, or from the other side, you know, spiritual side, it's really good. Also, it really help us or motivate us to do more creational things, right, or spiritual things. That's what we're doing right now. You know, in Billy is always particular, or he's always remind us about the spiritual teaching or creation energy teaching, to invest a lot on that because that's what we need right now in current thing, current situation in the world. So iikutan ko lang yung ratio, intellect, and then individuum, and I want to share things. I wonder, before I share this from Australia, I want you to say something about what's your reaction on what we read, you know.
Ako meron, Renz,
Sige kuya.
yung huling diniscuss mo, yung
Hmm.
TEAA.
Hmm.
Ah,
Key principle.
oo, yun yung keyword, key letters eh. Pero I would like to invite your attention. Meron lang akong kapopost ko lang sa Malaya at saka sa related chat groups. Yung audio format ng interview ni Billy August 17, 2025. Ang topic nila yan, yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ang nag-gather ko ron, and I suggest you look into it because ito yung aking intindi, and I may be wrong, better you look it. Maiksi lang naman siya eh. Ito ang na-gather ko. Yung, yung words na yan, o yung, yung, yung occurrences na yan, goes around in circle. Ang sinasabi ni Billy doon sa video is that ang una, emotion.
Ang emotion ang magti-trigger ng thought. Ang thought ang magti-trigger ng feelings. Tapos yung feelings na yon na mag-create na naman ng panibagong emotion. So it goes in circle.
Mm.
So yung hindi ko maiwan yan kasi pagka sinabi natin TEA, parang ang umpisa thought eh. The way I understood it doon sa interview, hindi. Ang umpisa, ah emotion. So in effect, ang key letters is E, T,
Eat.
F, E, T, F, or
Eta.
tapos ng F, E, T, F, tapos A. Yung
Ayan.
A after yung action. After the
ETA.
action, kakaroon ng emotion.
An
So,
mahina yung
go
boses
ahead.
niyo,
Go ahead.
Kuya Jun.
Ang
Yeah,
mahina
but
pa
it's
rin.
okay. Maybe I don't know. I need to review that because kasi sa mind of the thoughts, it always comes with thoughts.
I know
Maybe
Yes,
that's
yes.
yeah.
It's
because
new.
maybe you're talking about thinking kasi yung unconsciousness thoughts that create feelings also and emotions. We haven't thought it because it's
News,
subconscious.
news, news yan, Renz. Kasi sinabi rin niya,
Yes.
itakanta kasi Michael B. Sabi
Oo.
ang sagot ni Billy, I have not written about it yet.
Okay,
Yan
Yeah,
ang
that's
sagot
maybe
right.
he's talking because he's talking about the thing the well, I need to watch it and ask
Yes,
Michael
yes.
because he's because Billy sometimes on he's on the different level. Like maybe we're talking about thoughts that we think, right? Because it's a goes to circle, but we
No,
haven't discussed
I,
about thoughts
I
that we
don't think
haven't thinking,
I,
yung the
I don't think
unconscious thoughts.
merong misinterpretation dyan. Empathic siya na it's emotion, thought, feeling, action.
Yeah, because
Yan
he
ang
normally
yan
doesn't really discuss about emotions, he only about feelings, what
eh,
kind of emotions, but what
yung
German.
yung video na yon na pinag-uusapan natin started with I mean centered on emotion.
Wow.
Kaya kung ano man yung magiging implication niyan sa magiging contribution mo sa Vigo Australia, I suggest pag-aralan mo rin lang muna
Yeah,
yung
that's good.
interview.
Yeah, it's good
Yeah,
to
and
know. I
then you
haven't
have
watched it.
Vibka. You have Vibka there, so hopefully
That
that
can,
can help.
yeah, I
Yes,
will talk to
we
Vivka.
discussed this. We discussed this in the California group. That latest thing. The last time we had a meeting, it's like it's everything. We were also our heads were spinning after that, and so I'm glad you brought it up, Kuya June,
Yeah,
because
that's good because I'm gonna
because
brought up
that's
to Vivka
well,
too.
when you really think about it, sometimes it's like if we're basing it on like Empfindung and stuff like that, the there has to be like this, like I guess a stimuli first that will bring that, like for example, you suddenly hear a song, right? And it'll be then you'll start having memories, like it, like
Yeah,
especially when it comes to certain songs, because they go in time, so it'll bring you back to the past, nostalgia or something like that, or what you were doing. So then of course that what does it trigger? The thoughts, because then you remember, right? So that's why
yeah,
it does make sense. So at first we were thinking yes, but there has to be some the stimuli that will come through, like the Impindung. We're not talking about corporeal stuff, because that's just purely, material based, but like temperature, touch, all that stuff. But when it comes to Impindung, and you have this memory, or you have to look at something, for example, like a picture or stuff, then it'll bring the thoughts of about that time, right?
yeah.
Videos or thoughts, things like that. So it makes sense why that is in the latest video with Weitlander.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. So I need to study that also because yeah, because thought it's a circle to be honest. But the thing the
Yeah.
last is the action, you know.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Yes.
but the thing is the thoughts. this is really, it's a broad topic about thinking, because we're talking about fine fluidal, uh, fine sensitive, all of these things, the swinging wave, impulsation. We need to discuss this also. And we need to discuss about everything, the subconscious thoughts and then the unconscious thoughts. So there's a lot to factor in, kasi when we say thinking, that's you are conscious to think, because there's some feelings or there's an emotions come through, and then you need to think about, rationalize on your thinking, right, on your mental. But the different thing is there's also like unconscious thoughts that's been there for ages, even those from what's it called, storage bank, that really triggers your feelings as also. They are from fine fluidal, and then saan manggagaling yun, kaya magkakaroon ka ng emotion. Oh, why I'm feeling this one but I'm not thinking about it, which is true. And in the level of, kasi yun yung mas mabilis nating maranasan, matanto, 'di ba, yung feelings, yung emotions. But we haven't think about that. But in principle,
I,
yeah,
Renz, I suggest you look into the video because it will
yeah, I
really
will,
be
I will.
a very big difference from what you're saying right now.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
I will. That's what I understand from the book. That's why,
Yeah,
oh,
I
we're
kaya nga, kaya nga, kaya nga, uh, with mention also of swinging waves. Swinging waves can trigger emotions.
yeah, yeah, of
Uh,
course. E-
sa madalit
Even
sabi,
other people.
oo, and kung Cynthia, how do you call it? If you have been overcome by emotion, what do you call that? Emotional or something? Is there any other technical term other than emotional?
oh,
Kasi
are you?
ang
Mhm.
Overcome by burst, emotion, burst. Parang
kaya
ganon.
nga parang sa psychology, sa psychotic angle. Oh, kasi ang position
Yeah,
ko rito, if you get emotional, highly emotional at that, you may not be able to even think eh.
yeah, of course.
Well,
Kasi
that's
uncontrolled.
when it goes into the
Symptom.
ausartung level. That's when you get badly out of control of the good human nature. So
Correct.
and it could go either there's positive and negative ausartung. So that's like the extremes when you are not in an equalized state, out of
Mm.
control. Right?
Yeah, and I remember when Christian, I don't know if you listened to his interview on the YouTube before,
Mm-hmm.
that was previous. He said emotion is really like out of control. So is it the right time they use emotions on the German thing? Kasi they always say emotions out of control feelings. So maybe I don't know what the German term. Kasi yung maybe the subtitle is, you know, we need to check. I need to check too the translation, and I need to ask the German people how they interpret. Anyway, my
Oh,
focus
this
on
is
that one.
interesting.
Yeah, me
All
too.
these glossary things are interesting to read.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to read this one. It's
Yeah.
very important.
Yes. Yes.
So we're
Uh-huh.
talking about intelligence, intellectum, and
Yeah.
intellect. So we'll start with fine fluidal. So infundum. So infundum or infunden, perceiving in a fine fluidal mode. The das empfinden, the perceiving in fine fluidal mode, right? So we understand nasa same track tayo. So Empfindungsliebe, love of fine spiritual perception, which is the perception of the highest form of values, which is love, right? That's fine spiritual, not love in material level, but in fine spiritual perception. Next is fine fluidal, which is the fence flick.
Fine stuff. Fine
Fence
stuff.
of flick
Mm-hmm.
something. Fine fluidal. And
Oh,
there's a fine fluidalness,
fine
etc.
stuff, Lish.
Yeah. And Gemut, we know
Mhm.
the Gemut is the psyche, the counterpart, the
Yeah.
spirit counterpart, the higher level, right? So just to review sa mga listeners and other thing. So we
Yeah,
need to discuss
counterpart.
this
Mhm.
intellect. So this is very important too. Intellect is different from intelligence, you know. So intellectum, sorry. There's an intelligence, intellect, intellectum, and intelligentum. So they're different, right? So we need to read this one. So intellect, intelligence, this must be clear, has nothing to do with the intellect or intelligentum or being intelligent. Even it's always mentioned in connection with understanding and rationality. This namely is solely reserved for the intellect which contains the intelligentum or rather being intelligent in itself. Therewith is also capable of self-activity as well as external activity, where through external modes of behavior and external actions are possible. Excerpt from Contact Report 721, Mark 14 of June 2019. Billy, intelligence, this must be clear, has nothing to do with the intellect or intelligentum or being intelligent, even is always mentioned in connection with the understanding and rationality. The intelligence contains solely the value of memory in relation to all knowledge of understanding, rationality, and intellect, whereby this factor of intelligence, that is to say, memory, is inactive and correspond to nothing but storehouse of knowledge, which ultimately can be used as an encyclopedia of knowledge. However, in itself cannot be used for the implementation of knowledge with regard to content. This namely is solely reserved for the intellect, which contains the intelligentum, or rather being intelligent in itself, therewith also capable of self-activity as well as external activity, where through external modes of behavior and external action are possible. So so that's the difference, right? So it's not about being reading books, etc. But intellectum is something you can apply, right? The knowledge. So that's what we're aiming, intellect. I don't know if you want to share something. So
Yeah,
even people,
applicable
sige kuya.
applicable yan sa mga mangangaral. They
Mm,
may have a very good grasp of the verses from the Bible, pero yung lumalabas sa bibig nila, yung kanilang interpretation, eh, kung madalas literal kung magkaroon man ng interpretation sila out of the, in another, uh, in another environment, personal, ano nila yun, at mas madalas, hindi logical.
correct.
Nababahi, nababahira nung kanilang upbringing na, ito ang paniniwala ko ito pananampalataya ko ganito dapat ito na nga, sinabi na nga sa verse na ito dapat ganito. Pero
Correct.
kung tutuusin, ang pinakamalapit na analogy na nakikita ko riyan, yung idea ng knowledge as opposed to wisdom.
Mm,
Kung
mm,
kung yung knowledge diyan sa sinasabi mo rin, knowledge, walang problema ron. Pero yung wisdom, yun naman yung intellect.
yeah,
Kung wala kang intellect, mas malamang hindi mo mag-grasp yung wisdom. Or better yet, kung kapos ka sa intellect, baka hindi mo ma-meet yung wisdom. Hindi mo
correct.
ma-attain. So, in effect, parang it's a matter of being more evolved.
Yeah, yeah,
You can be a doctor, you can be a lawyer, you can be a very good
yeah.
engineer.
Book knowledge.
Bookworm ka, talagang pag pinag-usapan ng chapter, ang mga verses, principles, talagang mga mangunguna ka. But the point there is, when will you apply those principles?
Yeah.
When will the safety factor be changed in favor of economics, in favor of whatever? Doon lang papasok yung intellect eh. Kung
Yeah.
mamimit ko itong tensile strength nito by reducing this and yet makukuha ko yung ano, economically magbe-benefit yung project. Yan ang intellect ng engineer. Hindi dahil sa sabi ng
Intelligence.
libro, hindi dahil sa sabi ng intelligence out of the book, ganito ang formula, ganito ang safety factor, nakatali ka na ron. So, pwede, pero sa totoo lang, pwede kang mag-experiment pag may intellect So, I would say yung the best example ng may magandang intellect yung mga scientist. Hindi yung academician. Hindi
Yung mga
academician.
academician, yeah. And those people like intellect that really yung ang importante sa intellect is it's like common sense, to be honest, like you use it for good, marami kasi mga mostly mga educated academician, lawyer, etc. They had good intelligence, they can memorize the passages book by book, wording by wordings, but they cannot really apply in the actual scenario, which is common sense really good that need to be applied. Kaya ang partner ng intellect, actually, it's part of I will read the intellectum and intelligentum later on, is the ratio. Kasi kailangan nating i-align yung intellect natin sa ratio to gain more wisdom. What is ratio? Right? So we need to understand that. Yung ratio. Dito yon. Sorry, I need to fast. So human being ratio here.
Before you
Yeah.
proceed, Renz, mag-a-advertise lang ako.
Sige po.
Yung tatay
Sige.
ko, hindi yun nakatapos ng grade 1. Pero lo and behold, ang kumukonsulta sa kanya, engineers, mechanical, electrical, managers, officers ng kumpanya ng San Miguel. How can you explain that? The only way I can explain it, knowing my father, is that maabilidad siya. Meron siya noong thinking process na hindi based sa principles na natutuhan from books, but rather nakuha niya yung analysis niya out of observations. At in-apply niya to the point na pag nakita ng mga engineer, manghang-mangha. Ang isang magandang example na makipapakita ko sa inyo, just so you will have the size of it. Doon sa San Miguel, di ba, sa Coca-Cola, merong mga kung tawagin conveyor. Yan yung ng mga cases ng soft drinks. Ang proseso, bago yung makina, yung conveyor na available, pagkataas-taas ng installation. Sabi nung engineer, paano kakabit yan? Sabi sa mga tauhan doon, hindi ko alam, sabi ng mga tauhan o tawagan mo si Sarmiento. Tatay ko yun.
Yeah.
Alam mo kung ano ginawa ng tatay ko? Pinagpatong-patong yung wooden pallets to the point na nakuha yung height na kailangan.
Yeah.
Kuha niyo yung point?
Yeah. So, yung sinasabi ni Kuya Jun, that's really good analogy. It's being pragmatic. If the word pragmatic is something you use in a practical matter, regardless in any situation, you need to be practical. Kasi most of those, so-called engineers or whatever, they use by the book or even in management. Okay, we need to do this by constitution, do this and stuff. But in the actual scenario, you don't need those to read all the articles, blah blah blah, right? The steps by step, but you need to be a pragmatic. Use the thing that actual actual practice that you can use, right, on that specific um, situation or event, right, to get a result, a better result. So that's same thing with intellect of the human being.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's being pragmatic. I think that's what I understand. Yeah, like a lot of like politics also, in politicians they use a lot of jargon stuff, and then just to, hide their motives, their self-interest, right? But they're not going to solve the problem. Like for example, we can solve the hunger, right? We can solve yung mga yung mga problema, diseases, cancer, etc. We can solve that now. But the thing is we're not
Mhm.
solving it because of what? Materialism. Because of things. We're not pragmatic enough. We want to go with the laws o bawal yan. Because we're protecting other self-interest. Right? And then some people also doesn't want to do things like the climate change, etc., etc. They can solve that, but the things they don't want to solve it because they are full of in theory, ganyan, ganyan, intelligence, but they don't have pragmatic approach. They don't have practical approach. Ganun. Yeah, anyway, kaya sinasabi ko yung intellect and ratio kanina is magkaugnay. I need to read ratio, right? So the human being has something in his spiritual consciousness, in his material consciousness, which fundamentally makes him a human being in the first place, namely his rationality, his intellect, his discernment, and his morality. All these factors together are called ratio. The main task of ratio is embodied in resolving harmful ideas which arise so that they do not become a center of attention. So, that's really important yung ratio kasi embedded sa atin yun, sa ating spiritual side and material side, which is we need to have this and develop that. Pero hindi natin madedevelop yan kapag yun nga nasa asserted ka or we go on material level, right? Because that ratio is really behind it's material, it's in a fine sensitive side, right? So how can you develop ratio if we don't we don't go doon sa spiritual, right? That's why it's very important to connect sa nature, etc., etc. Kasi that's how we learn the true ratio and intellect, 'di ba? Kaya yung mga tingnan mo, yung mga practical, yung mga tao sa bundok or sa mga yung mga yung mga yung mga sinasabi natin na, oh, they're uncivilized. You know what, the Western, they're uncivilized. But they are very practical because they use their intellect and they align it to nature because they had ratio, right? Which is uh, in the spiritual side, correct? But of course, when the education of, yung ngayon, yung current education natin, etc. We're not using ratio anymore. We're just using by the book and what is written. So kaya nagkakaganito yung mundo natin is because those kind of uh, misunderstanding o ununderstanding ganun. Any comment?
Relative dyan sa ratio at saka sa
Hmm.
intellect. Makwento ko pa rin yung isang kwento sa tatay ko. Pasensya ka na kayo
Sige
kasi
lang Kuya Jan.
ako na
Eh,
ako naniniwala na mapakagandang example nito eh. Sa planta ng Coca-Cola, merong gate na nilalabasan ng mga truck na magse-serve sa market, ano. Isang umagang-umaga, kung saan yung gate, doon tumirik yung isang truck. Ang laki ng truck ang daming laman nun. Hindi mo yun basta maitutulak para ialis dun sa gate. Di namumroblema ang lahat, ang daming delay. Pumasok na naman si Sarmiento. Ano nangyari? Sabi dun sa driver, ganito, ganito, biglang namatay eh. Buksan mo yung hood. Si Sarmiento, sinilip ng mabilis na ganyan yung paligid. umakyat doon sa bumper ng truck. Niyuko ang ulo at pinuntahan yung bandang unahan. After a few seconds, bumaba, dala-dala na yung hood. Hindi lang basta sinara, binaksak pa. Tapos in-orderan yung driver, start mo. Umistart. Umistart, palakpakan daw ang mga tao. Anong point ko dito? If you know what you're looking for, if you know what are the possible causes around a certain situation, you would know how to proceed. Diyan pumapasok yung logic, ratio, abilidad, intellect, or whatever you want to call it. Pag wala ka noon, kahit sang buong araw mo ikutan yung tingin mo ron, hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo, walang mangyayari. But because he knows what he's doing, he knows the principle na maandar, biglang namatay. Likely, hindi naman gasolina. Dahil sa maraming bago pa lang papalabas pa lang, puno ng gasolina yun. Ang most likely dahilan, kuryente. Alam mo kung ano yung kinalikot niya ron? Yung connection, yung electrical wire ng ignition coil. Nag-loose, natanggal. Kinabit lang niya yun. So, pagkatapos ibalik, start na. Yan lang. Bahala na kayo riyan.
Mhm.
Yeah. You want to say something, Ate Cynthia?
Well, I guess the one thing that also I came across in my studies was it's really essential for us to know the difference between how do you call this the true nature and origin of the spirit as opposed to the material consciousness, because of our misunderstanding of these terms. Then that's what leads us to get lost in beliefs and stuff. So basically, the creative energy or spirit, as we say previously, is the enlivening force, the factor that helps us so that we can have our material consciousness, and that's the crux of the of our learnings or evolution. The area where we evolve is through the material consciousness, and so that's what that's what we need to evolve.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's very important yung, 'di ba we're studying the teaching, reading books. It's not how it is. Hindi sapat yung magbasa, and
Oo.
kasi kailangan natin talaga na apply into daily life. That's why sometimes when, I read books from Billy, even about the about universe, etc., psyche, and then when I go out and then meet other people, or go to forest, etc., and I find out mas naiintindihan ko yung book niya if you really connect it to nature, which is your everyday life, right? Whatever it is, while you're meditating,
Reality.
yeah, in
Yes.
reality, and then while walking alone,
Nature.
without
Mm-hmm.
without any disturbance, from the noise, and then it comes and oh, yeah, I understand now. That's what Billy mean, or that's what the teaching saying, and how
Right.
it works. Yeah, so that's very important sometimes. Now
And
we should go
then
out. Yeah,
right. Not box ourselves in prematurely, you
yeah.
know.
That's why without Billy doesn't recommend yung mga Buddhist na ginagawa. They just stay in the mountain, meditate, stuff like
Yes.
that. It's not really the way. The way is you go out
Yes.
to people, go out to nature.
Besides,
Don't isolate yourself. Mm-mm.
what's the purpose? Otherwise, and what is important is lived knowledge,
Live
because the
knowledge.
lived experience is how we gather wisdom. Otherwise, it just remains as knowledge.
Yeah.
So the living of it is what creates the wisdom that we take over into the other side. So that's what can carry on and help us in our further incarnations as we evolve.
Mm, correct. Yeah. Anyway, I'll continue
Mhm.
reading. So just to get the glossary.
Yes.
So
Ah.
intellectum is the entire block of intelligentum. Therefore, it includes intellect, rationality, knowledge, and effectively sits above the intelligentum. So that's the higher part, the intellectum. And intelligentum is, this is what Billy said. Intelligentum is the epitome that which very case includes the high value of the knowledge and the benefit of logic, and thus of the intellect and rationality, which altogether result as outcome of conscious and logical thinking. Because this is solely exclusive reserved for the intellect, which reveals the level of development of understanding and rationality. Through the cognition, knowledge, essence stored in it, it determines the intelligentum, or more exactly, the being intelligent of the human being. And it's from this alone that the capabilities, cognition, knowledge, mentality, talent, the values of the modes of behavior, of the purposeful action, and all other values can be derived and valued. I'm thinking also those intelligentum, and intellectum. Actually, that's really stored to our consciousness, and of course the where we reincarnate again when we're born again, right? Which is different personality. It goes to our storage bank also. So when we go back, because there are essence also. There's essence. So I think when we go back, um, then we can we can tap to our intellect, but of course we need to develop again, etc., etc. Anyway, with intelligence is different. Although we already read the intellect, intellectum, ratio, etc. Intelligence is different. This is mostly value of memory. So according to this, the intelligence contains solely the value of memory in relation to all knowledge of understanding, rationality, and intellect, whereby this factor of intelligence, that is to say, memory, is inactive and correspond to nothing but a storehouse of knowledge, parang, which ultimately can be used as encyclopedia of knowledge, as well as however itself can be used for implementation of knowledge with regard with content. Intelligence, this must be clear, it has nothing to do with the intellect, or rather intelligentum, or rather being intelligent, if it's always been knowledge, which ultimately can be used as an encyclopedia of knowledge, implementation of knowledge with cannot be used for implementation of knowledge with regard to content. This namely solely reserved for the intellect, which contains the intelligentum, or rather being intelligent in itself, therewith is also capable of self activity as well as external activity, where through external modes of behavior and external actions are possible. But I want to say briefly regarding intelligence is that it defines that which embodies the cognitive possibilities of human being and therewith connected capabilities of consciousness and their potential and dynamic meaning. A lack of intelligence or inferior talent in terms of intelligence therefore means that the cognitive possibilities and consciousness capabilities are impaired and inadequate, as well as development of intelligence has stagnated and that incomplete development of cognitive consciousness-based abilities is present. An inferior intelligence corresponds to a manifesting decline of cognitive possibilities and the consciousness-based abilities, which is also connected with the particular impairment skills such as cognition and language, as well motor skills, social skills, which ought to contribute to the level of intelligence. Well, reading that, because intelligence are temporary, it can be, kasi pag, if you don't practice it, right, and you don't have practical experience, wala kang, kasi pag nasa intellect na irrationality yan, kahit nagkaroon ka ng, parang forgetfulness or dementia or aging, 'di ba kasi yung memory mo is naglo-loss, but the habit mo, yung character mo is continue because you have that intellect and rationality because you're doing it. You know it will be permanent, to your character. But intelligence is something it can fade, right? Mawawala yan kapag nawala na yung mga neurons and etc. sa atin. At the same time also, the food that we eat or our lack of sleep, it affects our cognitive abilities, so that intelligence will get lost, diba? O humihina, nagkakaroon ka ng poor intelligence, unfair intelligence, etc. Right now, that's what they're doing to massive people. They're dumbing the population so that they can easily manipulate. Anyway, that's my take on this. Hello?
Basta ako, i- i- ini-screenshot ko na yung material mo at
I can send to the group.
ano hindi pwedeng one time lang. Kailangan paikutan ng ilang beses eh.
Oo.
Although I think analogy natin will help us a lot already.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Actually,
good
I
kung
really want to read
makikishare.
this, but I think we don't have time. It's really good article. Real intellect, rationality, and logic. It says on the goblet of the truth, etc., etc. That's really big. It's just a two-page or
Balik mo nga,
three-page.
doon sa title para
You can read it on your own, but it's really good. We can
yeah,
discuss this
okay.
pag maraming tao.
Captured ko na.
Yeah.
Si Vivian Pagayan, 2014.
Yeah, I read this ever since. Inuulit-ulit ko kasi maganda siya talaga.
So,
It's very
hindi siya
important.
part pala ng psyche book yung binasa mong huling yan.
No, no, no. They're not part. Pero, kasi binabanggit kasi sa psyche book. Kaya I want to explain. Kasi, binabanggit dito. Ano ba yung ratio? Ano ba yung intellect? Ano ba yung knowledge, right? So, in the psyche book, if we're gonna discuss this, we need to understand yung sinasabi ni Billy dito na intellect, ratio, individuum, you know, rational. Kasi doon umiikot doon iikot yung psyche natin because the decision, kasi yung ratio is inherit natin yun inherit natin yun since birth. 'Di ba? Since the beginning of the universe, we had that ratio. The universe give it to us so that we determine what is correct and right progress kaya tayo. Kaya rin, it's a good thing na meron tayong ratio lahat ng tao ng creation because that's how the creation evolved also. It's like binigyan tayo like a self-evolving, 'di ba? Ng ratio, palalakihin natin yung ratio. But it minana natin 'yan. Inherit natin 'yan from the universe because universe has its own ratio, right? But of course, a lot of people is not touching their ratio at the moment because they are so material. Hindi umiikot na
Kaya,
sila sa material
kaya
level.
popular yung word na irrational eh. You're getting irrational eh. Di ba?
They always, when they say, really, what they binagkit mo yung Kuya Joy, because they always say irrational, right? Because they are irrational. It's against nature, against the ratio of nature, universe. Kaya naging irrational sila, right? Yeah, and that level that we're of understanding. Mm. Anyway, we can read those books and we can continue this at the Cynthia before we go.
Uh-huh.
Maybe we can continue the book Psyche now reading.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I just shared my screen again. Maybe the real intellect, rationality, and logic na articles ni Vivian. We can read that next time kapag maraming
Yeah.
tao.
Yeah.
So
So
we're
we have
just
the
here now.
basis of understanding.
So gurus, something also no gurus, godly ones, and ascetics, etc.
Okay. Also, no gurus, godly ones, and ascetics, etc., have attained this level, but neither have those human beings, figures, and saints, etc., who have supposedly transcended to higher spheres, from where they, as supposed masters, rulers, and protectors, etc., should determine and guide the fate of the human beings of Earth. In order to reach the high evolutionary level mentioned, the human being must already have lived through his or her seemingly endless reincarnations of 42 million years of his or her evolution. However, this is not true for any one human life form on Earth, and also not for any spirit form belonging to a higher sphere of Earth, because the human beings of Earth themselves, those created on Earth, are still so young that, regarding their evolution, they are only beginning to change their last baby shoes, while those
Mm.
human beings living on Earth, who originally came from the far reaches of outer space, only have a total age of 8 to 12 million years.
Okay, that's good. Kasi I just want to discuss kasi yung level of evolution ng ating evolution, like yung consciousness evolution to transcend into level of semi-material, or the how do you call it, the semi-material level. uh it takes 40 to 60 years, 60 million years, right? That the current age of earthworm, they call them earthwormer, the people here, their spirit form or creation energy, it's only average between 4 to 5 million, right? Or 3 to 5 million, I think, years lang sila. But the foreigners, like yung mga nag-migrate dito na from different planet, and they reincarnated here, their creation energy, life energy, is between 8 to 12 million years. So we're still far from 42 million years or 40 million years to transcend to that level of semi-material or the higher council, right? So there's still a
But you
lot,
know,
long way. Sige, Ate Cynthia, come on.
I'm a bit confused because I was thinking that those who originally came from the far reaches of outer space, I would think would be more advanced
Yeah, they're more
in
advanced.
evolution. But why do they only have the 8 to 12 million years? I would think that they would be more like in 42 million instead
No,
of
no,
just
no.
8 to 12.
Yeah, no. No, if they are in 42 million, yun, they already transcend to higher council. I think I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. Pero I heard in the contact report, Pita, I think is transitioning to higher council.
At that level.
Yeah, Billy is over the. I don't know if he's going to transcend. I don't know, but he's not. I don't think so. So more than that, I don't know. It's really hard to understand, to be honest, because there's so many factors in.
Ano, ano guys ang relevance ng 13,500 years sa history ng Earth?
13,500 years.
Mhm.
I think that's the migration, 'di ba? Yung nagpunta
Yeah,
yung mga nangyari
migrations.
dito.
Yeah, there's several
13,500 years ago.
migrations eh.
Yan
Yeah.
dumating yung
Uh,
mga
Yung
ano,
mga
light
Nissan,
year.
yeah, Lyra
Oh,
Vega, something like that.
Syrian.
Sirius.
Syrian.
Sirius also.
Yeah, but they already did here, but their spirit level, their spiritual age, their creation energy, life energy age nila is about 8 to 12 million. But there are
Relative
Um,
relative doon sa 13,500. Ah, pakiulit mo nga yung how old yung mga locals na nagre-reincarnate na yung spirit
around 3 to
form.
5 million yung mga nag-derive dito.
So long ago pa, meron ng natives ang Earth.
Yes, yes. Before the thing, meron na. Even sa Talmud, 'di ba, sinabi na 'yon, nakipag-asawa sila sa mga native sa Earth.
kaya nga, I understand. Pero hindi ko na i-relate sa timetable eh. So, now only na nakita ko yung information na 8 million years na ang reincarnation process niya. Ibig sabihin, long time ago, bago pa dumating ang mga immigrants, meron ng tao rito sa mundo. They may
Yeah,
not be uh, they may not
evolve.
be as evolved or as developed, but meron na. Yan yung
Yeah.
siguro yung hanggang na sa yung mga nagdaan na sa
Homo
stringent
sapiens,
execution.
mga
Oo, yung
Incas,
mga
yeah,
Neanderthals, yung nauna.
Neanderthals. Yeah.
So, even by the time nakarating ang immigrants dito, yung 13,500, ano ang pwedeng i-describe, anong pwedeng gawing description sa level ng tao noong dito sa mundo? Yan na ba yung level din ng kung ano yung mga taong nasa Middle East?
Not really. Yung I think are you talking about the immigrants or yung Earthling?
Yung dinatnan, yung mga locals, yung mga
Yeah, siguro mga
native.
native siguro yung makikita mo sa mga jungle or something. Like Papua New Guinea, 'di ba? Yung
Kasi
mga
kaya ako tinatanong, Renz, kung yung mga Syrians ay ginamit ang ating nagkaroon ng gene manipulation, di ba? So, ang
Oo.
minodify nila yan,
those
ay
are the
yung present,
immigrants.
hindi ba
Yung
natives yung gene
no,
manipulated?
no, no, no. Yung mga nagpunta dito yung mga tumakas sa Syrian. Kasi ayaw nilang
Parang
lumaban.
hindi, parang ang gusto kong,
Hindi ba 'yon?
kasi ganito eh, ang basis ko rin yung age nila na nag stay sila rito eh. Ang mga Syrians, 1,000 years eh. Sa, na gene manipulate nila, 100 years lang eh. So, sino yung mga tig 100 years? Siyempre yung mga native.
Yeah.
No,
The
I
created
think
forms, di ba? They
what I
limited
Oo.
the life,
understand,
Come
they
again?
created those war thing in the Syrian, right? Because those Syrian they don't have ability to fight. That's why
Yeah,
they
yeah,
created
yeah,
like
defend
a clone.
themselves.
yeah.
But
Yes,
I don't read that it came from Earth, but I think it's from the Syrian. But those immigrants in 100 years, they went for different realm. Like they went to Playaran, they went to the likod ng sun, they went to here, the Mars and everything. So there's a lot of migration of many things. But I don't think Earth can do it.
anong epekto nun sa Earth natives? Yung gene manipulation.
Ano lang sila of course, dahil sa atin yung genes, siyempre nag-anak sila, inanakan nila yung mga native and something, but they're not part of the war kasi tapos na yung matagal na eh.
Nahawa,
Kaya lang yung
nahawa ka.
mga, yung parang inanak, siyempre nag-populate sila dito, right? Yung mga nag-populate dito kasi, yun yung mga 100 years lang yung mga bilang ng edad
Yeah.
nila.
Yung
Tapos yung
mga
mga iba din
descendants.
na matataas na rin like other ETs, they have thousand like Playaran. Yung mga
So,
ibang player.
descendants lang yun ng mga immigrants.
Hmm,
Naging
descendants,
descendants,
karamihan naman tayo descendants tayo ng
inter,
immigrants ngayon.
intermarried sila sa local.
Yeah,
Nag-intermarry
and
sila sa local.
and
Okay,
just like
okay,
us.
klaro na.
Well, the main reason for their creation was to be subservient because they were the ones that were mining, for example, the gold that they needed for their planet. In some instances, they came for that particular. It's for resources, and then they also, instead of being the ones to do it, they hired. They created the species.
Great.
That's one of the reason for why we were created, and they limited and also affected also the warrior gene for protection. I mean, that's the problem. This, all there are different extraterrestrials that had different agenda also.
Yeah, there's so many of them. Mm.
Yeah,
And
this is like
those
a melting
Playaran
pot.
also play a role of God, you know.
Yes, yes.
That's why they are here to correct. That's what they're saying. But Yeah. But there's still a lot of people here. Like for example, Gilgamesh people, their existence their life expectancy is 5,000, 5,000 years, diba? There's so many. There's a lots of immigrants here on Earth, but of course we're not immigrants now because we're part of Earth.
Yeah,
And
well, there's so many, the history of the migrations, and even at one point we're like a penal colony, right? So there's like it's all
that's
kinds
another
of
thing.
yeah, so many
We're a
things here.
colony,
And
we're a penal colony.
yeah,
Alright,
and
continue reading.
okay. So
Therefore,
therefore, the human being of Earth is not yet in the position to comprehend all nuances and forms of the feeling, and so these will remain inaccessible to the human beings for still a very long time. When the human being of Earth will be able to do so, then he or she will have already long left Earth and will be living somewhere on different planets. Because the blue planet will not exist for as long as the human being needs for his or her evolution in order to be able to one day enter into the spirit realm. In regard to the feelings, it also still needs to be explained that these also demonstrate cultural and social origins, in which case, depending on the human being, certain feelings can appear more often, which is determined by the individual desires of the respective individuum. Thus, it becomes comprehensible that feelings are also molded and brought to life, as for example, through the ages and the spirit of the times, through the cultures and the social classes, through occupations, cosmic occurrences, literature, collective views and dreams, etc. And
yeah.
Findan is referred to as that block and factor which occupies that important position in the spiritual realm, in the Gemut, as is the feeling in the half material psyche. That means that the Empfinden is a purely spiritual process of the spiritual Gemut, and that this does not belong to the physical body. The Empfinden only receives swinging waves which are of a purely spiritual nature, and thus, in the spiritual sense, of a neutral, positive, equalized form. The Empfindungen are as manifold as the feelings, except that the Empfindungen are simply pure and of only neutral, positive, equalized form. He wrote something there about that. Anyway, the
Oh, it's
Empfindung not
creation
only
energetic. Yeah, I just trying to
creation
translate the
energy.
spiritual to creation energetical. Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
that's
All
new.
right. The Empfindung not only influences the entire spiritual mentality block, but it also works across into the material realm and indeed directly into the half material psyche as one of the many basic factors of the feeling origination. Obviously, the competence and energy of the Empfindung also suffices to participate considerably in the spiritual consciousness, as is also the case with the feeling, which participates in the life and workings of the material consciousness from out of the half material realm of the psyche. Also, in regard to the Empfindung and to the Empfinden, a very deep reaching confusion predominates with the scientists researching this matter because, in order to reduce everything to a common denominator, they simply equate the Empfindung with the feeling. It is a confusion beyond compare when one considers that Empfindungen can solely and exclusively occur in the spiritual realm, thus in the spirit gemuth, and from there goes forth out of the gemuth to function, by which to first influence the half material realm of the psyche and of the feeling, and naturally thereafter the material consciousness. In the material realm, the Empfindung comes to expression through the feeling in a very special form, namely as extremely intense sensitivität, thus as highly sensitive Feinfühligkeit. At the same time, the sensitivität exhibits an enormous strength and results from the powers of the conveyed Empfindungen from the spirit realm. Thereby, primarily, it is possible for the human being to be of extremely fine feeling and to comprehend things and spheres via this fine Fühligkeit, which can be comprehended solely and exclusively through the powers of the spirit, and thus through the Empfinden, which, however, becomes present to the human being through the transmission into the half material psyche feeling realm in the form of the Feinfühligkeit, the Sensitivität. This Feinfühligkeit represents the highest possible fineness of the feeling in the half material psyche feeling realm, for which there's no further intensification possible in this form. Okay. The Feinfühligkeit has in no wise anything to do with an exaggerated and a slightly excessive feeling, etc., as those scientists presume who do not understand this matter they concern themselves with. It also has nothing to do with the capability of the human being to react to outer stimuli psychically, for example, in a feeling based manner. This factor, namely, is quite different, which belongs in the realm of the material and half material perception realm, namely the sense. Sense is referred to as that block and factor which, in the half material realm of the psyche and consciousness, receives, regulates, and brings the half material as well as material perceptions into effect in the form that quite distinct feelings outbursts emerge, of which one can speak of as sensitized feeling swinging waves. In this capacity, the sense takes shape. In this capacity, the sense takes its shape predominantly in the form of the factor by which the entire material organism is conferred the capability of the stimuli reception, and thus the receptivity of the stimuli of the five senses: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. In addition, the sense is also the capability of each perception of the feeling based realm, wherein the capability to perceive all matters and processes of the material consciousness is also included. The sense processes that which is perceived into different types of swimming waves, out of which arise distinct sense conditions, which mix with specific feelings, again from which emerge quite specific impressions and excitabilities, as well as directions, progressions and goals, emotions, the so called sixth sense, clairaudience, desires, visions, clairvoyance, and many other values or unvalues. The sense creates the perceptions that are made through it in the half material psyche feeling realm, and in the material consciousness, as well as in the physical body, and triggered activities in the human half material and material cognition apparatus. The sense is thereby always subjective and indispensable to every object consciousness. On the other hand, the sense serves the cognition and also the evolution, while on the other hand, it can also bring disadvantages to the human being if he or she is not controlled by the sense in a determinative and sufficient form. The sense is not only dependent on the human being himself or self as such, with all his or her material and half material concerns and other factors, but also in the outer world and the environment. Thus, the sense stimulations are not only brought about by the outer and inner conditions of the human being himself or herself, but also from outside by fellow human beings, by events and world situations, by music and all other muses, as well as by what is seen and heard, and so on and so forth. Along with the material sense, from which, for example, arise the various sense functions of the taste, of sight, of hearing, of smell, of touch, of temperature, of pain, of motion, of organs, and of balance, etc., the half material sense is of quite special significance, through which emerge the parapsychological sense perceptions of the form, which originates through a sensitizing of the feelings and their stimuli effects. That means, therefore, that also any stimuli effects from the Empfindung block of the spirit realm can step into appearance, which are received, formed, and evaluated by the sense to become a distinct sense effect and sense form. But this only occurs when the feelings of the half material psyche feeling realm are impregnated with Empfindung impulses, etc., stemming from the spirit realm, through which the sensitivität, the fine feeling ability originate, which then is grasped by the sense and processed further, because these, thus the sensitivity, i.e., fine feeling ability, create corresponding stimuli, which the sense realizes and works on, from which then emerge the sense form and the sense value.
Okay. I think that's it for tonight.
Yep.
That's it because I haven't do the other pages.
Mm.
So
Makati.
it's a big topic and we need to discuss next week about
Yeah,
Infinite.
very
Any
good.
any 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 questions or anyone to share before we end? 'Cause I think it's a bit late in the Philippines too. Hmm.
Yeah. Well, that's
Urgent.
quite a lot for our brains to mull
Yes,
over.
Next week,
especially the one
maybe if
from
the oh, sorry, Kuya Jen. Kapag nandito sana yung mga medium natin, like other, it's good to discuss this one. Yeah, but anyway, Kuya Jen, carry
time,
on.
next time. O paano?
Yes.
Magandang buhay.
Yeah, good
Sige.
night, everybody.
Maraming salamat, Salome. Love you
Yeah,
all.
good catching up. Thank
Thank you.
you. Take care all the time, guys.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Salam.
Salome, bye-bye. Salamat po.
Sige. So, bye-bye.